Okay, so does your old washing machine, and when I say old washing machine, like this kind, does it shake like crazy because it's not balanced like this? All right, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So this is the first thing that you do. I'm going to take off this piece. What are we disconnecting here? Okay, we're going to disconnect this. Okay, you can see it's disconnected. That was easy. Now we're going to pop out these. Now your old washing machine may be a little bit different, but I've had many old washing machines and a lot of them are similar. This particular one is, you see here, a Whirlpool, the Ultimate Care Heavy Duty. Alright, so as you can see, we're just pulling this forward, literally just pulling that forward. That's all we had to do, just connect that and then those two clips. And you see when you pull, you can move it forward. And here it is. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing another video. Look at how disgusting that is. This is what a lot of people were talking about to clean the inside parts here. So I'll be doing that soon too. But this is how you make sure it's balanced. Okay, so you see we have a spring here. We have a spring here, and this is the culprit. You see how it's not connected to anything. And then there's also one. Again, your machine may be a little different. Oh, look, right back there. You see that? Okay, so this is the problem when you have a really old washing machine. You can see it starts to rust out. So this one, because we've done this already, this used to be connected right, where was it? Right here. There's a hole right here. But if you look at the top of it, it rusted through. So it's not connected. So what we decided to do is find another place to connect it. And you see right here, there's like a hole already here. We're just connecting it to this hole. We didn't make that hole, it was already there. But we're going to connect that, and then you'll see it'll be perfectly balanced. So we just get pliers. I'll put down here. Yep. Sorry for the bad lighting under here. But you see how we just did that? So we took that, it was dangling. And then we just decided to put it right in there, since the spot it was supposed to be rusted out. Now I'll show you, it doesn't wobble anymore. Hey, real quick, one thing we didn't mention, whenever you're taking this shell off, you have to kind of move it back and angle it upwards, because do you see how there's a lip? Now that may not apply to your specific washer, but that's what we had to do to kind of, like I said, tilt it up and scooch it back just to get it off. Now to get it back on, you kind of got to do the same thing in reverse. Alright, so now that this is finally back on, sometimes it takes a little bit of shimmying, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and put these sides back in. And then we're going to put the clip back in. Shut that. Alright, and the last thing to put it together, just screw that back in. And then we're going to screw in the one over here. Guys, also something to mention. There's little feet under these old washing machines, see here, in each corner. And you always want to make sure that those are leveled as well. So on these, at least this one, the way that you make sure that it's level is you just push it forward. And then, here, let me show you. You just kind of pull it forward. Good. You hear how it clicked, and then you put it down, and then it's like self-leveling, kind of. So when you do what I just showed you, it's leveled for that spot. So if your floor is a little uneven like ours, make sure if you move it even just a few inches that you do it again so it's level. So watch, when I put it on now, you've seen how it was violently shaking. Now it doesn't shake. So that is how you balance / level a very old washing machine. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.